I don't get agents. I have AliExpress items selling, but have been doing it all manually, buying it from the site like a customer. I mean, yeah, that's kind of how you do it with AliExpress. And then after you're past the beginning stages, you can you can obviously go choose something like AutoDS or something like CJ Dropshipping, which is a little bit step up from AliExpress, a little bit more automation. Or you can go to the private agent side of things. Private agent side of things is most of the time better, often cheaper pricing, often faster shipping. So that's why a private agent is very, very good. And they'll manage a lot of the stuff for you. So common ways you can find these are Facebook group chats and Upwork, places like this. I like Facebook group chats, just pure referrals, right? Pure referrals is what I like to do. Tips not to get banned. I made $1 a week, 50% profit. I had one shop shut down and closed another final warning. I'm running out of bank accounts and addresses now, which everything in learned. About review picks and change niche. Any other tips? There's a lot of different things. And obviously I can't say everything, otherwise that'd be unfair to the people inside of Etsy Kings. But yeah. How much dollar do I need to start? If you're following the correct methods, probably $250 to $300 right now. If not, $150 to $250, because right now it's like the busiest time. So busy on the platform. So easy to start on the platform. So easy to run it up on the platform right now. You can sell Christmas products, even like we're getting towards the end of Christmas products, but so many niches work well. Giftable niches are popping right now. So many fucking things are popping right now. Like, that's the best thing to go down.